Hi, this is Jamie from Addons. This is an Elementor add-on plugin. It has a lot of free elements and extensions which are enough to create an awesome website. As it's a freemium plugin, you can download it from the WordPress plugin repo. If you want to get the pro version, then check the pricing page from our official website. Link is given below for both free and pro versions. In this video, I am going to talk about creative links by Addons. Let's drag this creative links element. And this is the default layout. If I hover, you will see brackets. This is the bracket effect. Link alignment, you can make it left or right or center. Then from brackets, let me select 3D effect. Now if I hover, you see the changes. There is a lot of effect available. Feel free to select the perfect one for your website. And I'm just going to show you 2 or 3. Let me select this 3 dots effect, and if I hover, then you will see the 3 dots appeared. And I'm selecting the default one, the brackets, and I'm going to show you the customization. From content, you can change the text of your link, then the alternative link text, then the link URL and icon. You can define the icon position before or left. It's before, now I am selecting on after. And you can change the icon spacing. Okay. Now let's make it to style. That's all about the content area. From style, you can fix your link width. I am selecting 100. That means it will cover only this 100 pixel area. If your link and text is bigger than 100 pixel, make sure to select the exact size. And if you don't have anything, I recommend you to keep it blank. It will automatically fix on its own width. Then the typography, you can set any font from this typography option. Then the text color, I am selecting red for normal, and for hover, selecting blue. If I hover, you see the changes. And that's all about creative links element. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to like this video and comment on this video if you have any problem. Make sure to download, install and active Addons from our official website or our WordPress plugin repo page. Otherwise, you can't work with our extensions and elements.